Hey Lionel, stop! Why you start cooking without me? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm making aglio olio. That's why I have to pre-cook my pasta. The simplest dish, but yet the hardest to cook. Let me show you. Italian now, chef. Okay, now I'm going to add in olive oil. This is how much the Italians have olive oil.
It's quite a lot of oil.
Yeah, because it's aglio olio. It's just oil. I'm going to jump garlic. What's jumping garlic? Very simple. How do I explain? Jumping garlic is when you cook the first batch of garlic but not burn. You take out the first one, then you transfer it to another side. You basically don't use that garlic. Then you transfer a new garlic inside. You just saute, get the flavors. You want all the flavors of the garlic in the oil. Okay, so that's why I call it jumping garlic.
Jumping garlic. Is that an Italian term or a Singaporean term?
Well, it's more Singaporean lah.
Lionel's term lah.
Lionel's term lah. Okay.
Jumping garlic is what?
爆香.
So 爆香 how many times?
3次.
Using the same oil lah.
Yeah, correct. Alright, though my third one, I don't jump really.
Okay, so we're keeping this garlic, right?
Yes. So basically what I'm using is actually one entire clove of garlic. Wow. It's not the small clove, it's the entire clove.
You can still eat this, right?
Yeah, you can eat this.
No.
I'm having garlic breath later. My god, thank god I'm not having a date.
When's your last date, Lionel?
Let's not go there. Ladies, I'm always free for a date. If you guys want a man with knows how to cook, and I do the dishes too, I just cook for me. Find me on podcast. So you can see, right? This is my third batch. You see, can you smell the smell? Now, right now, I just want to get it a bit brown, not too brown, but just brown, just nice brown. Okay, I don't know how to say. I explain, but just want that.
Pale blonde brown.
Correct. Sounds so beautiful.
You're welcome.
So this is peppercorino soaked in oil, which is actually chili flakes and oil lah.
If you say in Italian, sounds much more sexy.
Peppercorino. No, peppercorino. This is actually AOP. AOP means aglio olio peppercorino. It's just spicy lah. I just add in about 1 teaspoon. Okay, you like it spicy, then we add 2. You check it out. It's so red. Okay, this has been soaked overnight. Okay. Overnight, guys. Overnight, remember, low heat, please, guys. Low heat. Okay. You don't want to burn the garlic. Once you burn the garlic, it's going to be burnt aglio olio. Okay, I'm very fierce with this kind of thing because basically
you're a pasta consultant.
Yeah. Now my trusty tongs. My god, that sounds so wrong.
What color of tongs you like to wear?
Just saved by the bell. Okay, so I'm gonna add a bit of water, pasta water. I love pasta water. Okay, pasta water is good. Pasta water is awesome. Pasta water is like the holy grail of waters. Okay.
The holy grail inside the cup comes with the pasta water lah.
Yep. Pinch of salt.
Says the pasta god. Okay, yeah. Right? Pinch of salt.
So right now I'm just gonna get my pasta out. Okay, see, can you see the color? It's beautiful. It's nice. Okay, here's the part where people always get it wrong and gotta get it right.
Okay, what is it?
It's called flipping your pasta and emulsifying your pasta. It goes in. Fresh pasta. Just a bit more, not too much. Okay, you need to emulsify. So now you gotta just use your tongs. Now you can bring it up to a bit of high heat. Okay, this has been done at about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, I just want to cook it thoroughly to about 7. This is al dente. Right. I love hard pasta. Okay, so I just want to slowly. Okay, now I flip. I want to emulsify it. You can see that the oil and the water is coming together.
So that's the secret of aglio olio.
That's the secret. You just want to coat the pasta. Salt bay. And parsley. Some people don't, some people add, some people don't. But I love parsley, so I just want to add more color to my beautiful aglio olio here. As long as it's not pale yellow, it's fine. Pale yellow is if you overcook. If you overcook your pasta, that's really bad. You don't get al dente, you got nothing. See, the oil is just nice coating. Coating goes inside.
Ooh, beautiful.
And one more thing, guys, there's no cherry tomatoes inside inside aglio olio. And you know who you are. I know. It's a sin. It's a sin. I know who you are. I know who you guys are. Okay, putting cherry tomatoes in aglio olio. I know who you guys are. Okay, don't do that. It's bad.
Okay, final touch.
Parsley bay. And a crack of black pepper.
And that's it.
So simple.
So simple.
Subscribe to Fogcast for more fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Lionel.
Welcome, man.
Okay, cut.
Okay.